Here we have a Mini, and what we've done, we installed an integrated CarPlay system and reverse camera. So let me just show you the reverse camera. Just above the number plate, so it's nice and discreet, as you can see. And if you take a seat on the passenger side, I'll show you the CarPlay. Right, so that's the stereo system, that's part of the car, and that's the standard fit. And what we've done an integrated CarPlay, so you have the added function of a CarPlay. So we flick over it. And what that's doing is playing the Spotify. So you have like an iDrive in this Mini, which is just here. And this menu button here, if I push and hold it, which I'm going to do now, but just have a look at the screen. So I'm going to push and hold that menu button. It will now flick to the vehicle menu system, its actual iDrive system. And if I push and hold it again, it will now flick to the CarPlay. So using this to navigate round, as you can see, where I'm using the wheel to turn is actually moving. So I've gone into the main menu bit there. And if you go into Spotify, then you've got the music on that, and Google Maps, so which is typical CarPlay. The actual Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto part of this is completely wireless. So you don't have to plug your phone. At the moment it's connected to my phone, which is just here. So you don't have to plug a USB into it. Like I said, it just works wirelessly. And also we put the reverse camera. So if you have a look, this car doesn't come with reverse camera as standard. So we integrated it within the kit, the same kit. And also if I start it up, in this particular vehicle you have guidelines, which is part of this integration kit, is adaptive with the steering wheel. But the good thing about this reverse camera that's part of this kit, if I actually press the menu and get out of the CarPlay functionality, so going back to the home screen of the normal radio, so if you have a look here, so if I go into like normal radio, for example, now if I go into reverse now, the CarPlay will kick the reverse camera into it. So you don't have to be in the CarPlay function to actually get your reverse camera, and you've still got adaptive steering wheel. So that's the integrated CarPlay and Android Auto in this Mini Cooper with the reverse camera all installed.